going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Break Up With Your Girlfriend by Arianna Grande. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning. You're starting out the capo on your first fret. Now for the picking part that's in the beginning of the song that pretty much, for the most part, loops throughout the entire song, you're starting out picking your A string open, then you're going 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, 3rd fret on the A string, so it looks like. Then open D string, 3rd fret D string, 2nd fret G string, 3rd fret D string. Then open G, 1st fret on the B string. All together very slowly, it looks like this. Now, like I said, that pretty much repeats throughout the entire song. I did make my own tab for it. It's in the description below, so if you need that, go check it out. Again, it looks like this. Now you can also just strum through the chords during that part of the song as well. Again, the chord diagrams are also in the free ebook that's in the description below, so if you need these chord diagrams, jump in the description. There's a link down there for a free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It has almost all the major guitar chord diagrams in there if you need to check them out. Your first chord is A minor. Then your next chord is D minor. Your last chord is E minor. Now a strumming pattern you can use for those chords is going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Now there is a little bridge, a little like pre-chorus part that happens before the choruses. I think it happens 2 or 3 times throughout the song. All that is a C chord, and you're just strumming these once. So it's a C chord, strum, and then you're going your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string and your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. You're strumming that once, take your ring finger off and put your index finger on the 1st fret on your G string. And that's all that pre-chorus part is. Again, single strums with your C. Then there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.